Italy, a dream and a paradise. I cherish memories of my visit to Italy forever. In watercolor, it is important to control movement of water, the amount of water you are using, and its behavior. You need to understand the character of water first because it is your medium. Of course, colors do play their role, but it's water that you need to study alongside the tones and the colors. A combination of soft and sharp edges create interest. Cool and warm colors complement each other. And after we are done with the broader washes or bigger shapes, it's time to attend smaller shapes. These shapes could be smaller in area but in significance, in visual prominence, they are very important. And one more thing to be noted is that we are painting a landscape of a sunny day. So it's important to pay attention to tones because many times, more than colors, more than textures, the tones are important to create a sense of depth or shade and light or the organic nature of the subject. And it's important in landscapes. So tones do play a major role in getting your message through. Texture, texture, texture. I appreciate it highly because of its presence everywhere in the world. In Italy, it's pretty common to come across a fortification wall, in any part of the town, or it's very more common in the countryside. So, and they are all very interesting structures, basically, when it comes to texture and the variety of material. They are simply beautiful. So, once again, we are into detailing. This time, it's plants. Some of my artist friends are comfortable, completely at ease to use flat brushes for painting steps. But if you ask me, it's always a round brush. It's always a round brush. I can do it better using a round brush. I mean, painting steps. Yes, my friend, remember we are painting a landscape of a sunny day. So the shadows are not going to be dull at all. They are going to be dark, but not dull at all. Yeah, let's have a quick recap of our journey.